guys, welcome to another episode in ECET series. Guys, I have already explained ts-ecet 2020 paper previously. Check that videos at the end. In this video, I am going to explain Relational Database Management System paper thoroughly with important points. So watch the video till the end. Let's start with a bonus question. Here's the question is, which of the following gives a logical structure of the database graphically? The options are entity relationship diagram, which is known as ER diagram, diagram, database diagram, architectural representation. Comment the answer in the comment box, and you can find the answer at the end of the video. Here's our first question. The attribute refers to a dash of a table. The options are record, column, tuple, and key. If we see that record is a row, which is also known as tuple, and column refers to the attribute. So the correct option is column. And key is a completely different concept. So now let's move to our next question. Functional dependencies are the types of constants that are based on. Given options are key, key revisited, superset key, foreign key. Absolutely, the answer is key because functional dependencies are based on the keys itself. Now let's move to our next question. Tables in second normal form are. The given options are eliminates all hidden dependencies, eliminate the possibility of insertion anomalies, have a composite key, have all non-field that depend on the whole primary key. If we see that to consider a table is in second normal form, we have the main conditions are first, it should satisfy first normal form, and second condition is no partial dependency. No partial dependency. And if you see the options, eliminates all the hidden dependency. Here hidden means partial dependency. So the option is first one. Now let's move to next question. Triggers are supported in the options are delete, update, views, alter. Triggers are the special type of stored procedures that automatically runs when an event occurs in the database server. Triggers run when a user tries to modify data through DML commands like insert, update, and delete that applied on table or a view. This is so the correct option is views. Now let's move to our next question. Which of the following creates a virtual relation for storing the query? The options are function, view, procedure, triggers. The first thing we have to remember when we see the words like virtual relation or virtual table is views, because views are considered as the virtual tables with rows and columns. So the correct option is view. Now let's move to our next question. Data integrity constants are used to. These are the data integrity constants, not null constant, default constant, unique constant, primary key, foreign key, check constant, and index. And these are used to limit the type of data that go into the table and also ensures the accuracy of the reliability of the data in the database. Which means these constants are used for maintaining the quality of the data by limiting the unwanted data in the database. So if we see the options, the correct option is improve the quality of data and entering the for a specific property. You have watched the video till this far means you are getting something informative. So like, share and subscribe the video. The next video is operating system explanation that will be released on Saturday. If you want it on before, I am giving a target of 10 likes. I'll achieve it by sharing the video and making the like button. Now let's get into our next question. The question is, database is the dash logical design of the database, and database is a snapshot of the data in the database at a given instant of time. Here we have to match the options with the blanks. So to make it fast, we will check only this first, and next we will compare this with next option. Now coming to the first option, instance and schema. Instance means particular moment of time when data is stored into the database. So this will not be the correct option because instance does not belong to any logical design. Now let's move to next option. Relation. Relation is a table. No, it have no matter connection with logical design. And here it is also given as relation. This is also not matched. So these are wrong option. And we have lastly schema and instance. Schema means the logical design of the database. So if we see that the option is also given as logical design. So up to here it is correct. Now let's see that instance. Instance is the snap instance is the particular moment of time when data is stored into the database. That moment of time. It is if we see that it is also given instance of time, snapshot of the data into the database at a given instant of time. So it matches the in this way this is the correct option. To make it fast, we have gone through only the first option. If it is not matching, there is no value of checking for with schema and next ones. Now let's move to our next question. We indicate roles in ER diagrams by labeling the lines that connect dash to dash. The answer is the options are diamond diamond, rectangle rectangle, diamond rectangle. The correct answer is diamond and rectangle because diamond is diamond represents relationship set and rectangle refers to entity set. The next question is, if we want to retain all duplicate values, we must write dash in place of union. The question is like that we are having two or more tables with some duplicate values included in it. What should we do to retain means the result set should contain all the duplicate values. If we see that union only contains distinct values, but whereas union all includes all the duplicate values also. So if we see that this will be the correct answer because it includes all the duplicate values into the result set. Now let's move to our final question. Using which of the following can a user request information from the database? The answer is query because query executes and gives the information as a result. Now let's see the bonus question answer. If we see the question is which of the following gives a logical structure of the database graphically? ER diagram, entity diagram, database diagram, architecture representation. We have relationship diagrams which are known as ER diagrams, which uses a different symbols for representing the structure and design of the database. So the correct answer is entity relationship diagram. And guys, finally, if you are having any doubts or questions, feel free to ask and post them into the comment section. And the target for this video is 10 likes. Like, share, and subscribe the video.
Thanks, and I'll say.